What's going on, guys? It's your boy Cam here doing Bison Biscuits today. With me on my Jixter 1000 2011 here with the little flashy lights on the side. This is my baby riding today. But we're waiting for everyone else to pull up. The meet started 10 minutes. Meet up, wait for everyone, whoever gonna come out around about 10:50, do like a little safety brief, and around 11 roll out, do the ride. It's about a 2-hour ride, hitting some back roads, not going too fast, so a lot of people who's new can get some practice in. But other than that, stay tuned for the other clips.